Today we're gonna learn how to create S3 bucket and host a static website over here. So here I have already opened the Amazon AWS console and I have selected the S3 service, simply service, and here I have given name of my bucket. It's a website hyphen 7ab. You can write name or you can use a unique name. It's globally. So you must select the name unique. Okay, and now I have enabled ACLs enabled because I want my bucket to accessible from ACL. Okay, and I have object ownership, select bucket owner preferred, and I have deselect all the block all public access because I want that bucket to be accessible from other users, and also acknowledge that on the same. And I also want to attach or add some versioning of inside my bucket, like I have uploaded image one and also wants to update the same image or same code. I can add the same code and it will show me the version 1 and version 2 over here. And I have added two tags here. One tag is like of department and marketing. Value I have certain like marketing, and bucket key I have enabled. And let's create a bucket. See, our bucket is already successfully created. You can see here, and upload files and folder or configure additional bucket setting. Choose view details. Like over here, from you can change the settings of bucket. I don't want to go that. Like this is our bucket. Now here we can see our S3 bucket is ready. Now let's go inside this S3 bucket, and in the properties of this bucket, let's enable that we can access and host a static website hosting over here. See, by default it is disabled, and now we are going to go in edit and enable it and host a static website index.html, and in error page we can say error.html by this way. And after we are gonna create a kind of this kind of document to error page and index.html page. Now we're gonna save this because we have made a change in properties. We can access and host a static website inside S3 bucket. Now we go inside the object. I also want to show you, like I have created some of the files like HTML coding, and you guys can see here. I'm opening it in the Notepad, so you can also create by your own. Not a big deal. Okay, I have write this kind of code, just a simple code of HTML. Okay, you can write code as well. You can create by your own, or you can take an help from ChatGPT or from the internet. You can search free HTML template, and I have also write a code for the error page. See, this is the error page code. You can write by your own in HTML. Okay, so now I'm gonna upload these two files. uh, is I can select multiple file as well. See, it is showing like this way. The file is uploaded. Now I'm gonna add another one, and also gonna add one image as well. You guys can see here, and now I'm gonna upload this. See, it is showing here like, see, all the things are uploaded over here. Okay, you guys can see this, and let's check this. So we can access this from the internet or not. Let's see that our index.html is accessible to the internet. We are gonna copy this object URL, or can say directly over here to open that. See, it is showing access denied still, right? Already have allow the to host a static website, but it's still showing like access denied. Let's see what is the issue with this. Okay, so we have found like we are not able to access this anything from. So we are going to select, and in action go to make public using ACL, because we have given access of the whole bucket, not the particular this the both page, this two uh, object which we have stored in the S3 bucket. We have given ACL object access control list to the whole bucket first, and now we have to give this to these two elements like index.html and error.html. Make public now. See, it's showing successfully edited public access. Okay, it's a zero failed. Edit. Uh, Now we can go and see that now it is working or not. See, I'm gonna open this the index.html. You guys can see here. This is the static website we have uh, created for our practice. I've even added some of the links. If you can select any of the links, you can access though even. So it is still like it is showing the access denied. Okay, but our bucket is up and working. Yeah, and let's see the error page. It's working or not, because we have issued with error page as well before. So let's select. See, it's working, and see, it is on the AWS. Okay, it's not in our local machine or accessible with local machine. So okay, now let's check with this image as well, because let's see if we can access from the internet or not, because we only give the ACL access to our index.html page and error.html page. Let's see over here. We can see here the access denied. So let's go inside this and see. It's only like we can also give an access. Let's go inside the bucket and select this in action. Give make public using ACL. Select this one, make public. See, it's done now. Just we are gonna refresh this page to see that we can access or not. See, I have uploaded the image, so we can access this. You guys can understood by this way, like how we can give an access, how we can upload the content, the objects, the things we want to store in S3 bucket, how we are hosted a static website. We enable the ACL of bucket and as well of particular uh, stored things, right? And now let me show you the another way. Like if I want to share some of the picture or image, and I want that only accessible till the limited time, right? So I'm gonna um, upload one more image from my machine. Okay, add files and see this image we're gonna upload it. Okay, upload. We successfully uploaded this image. Okay, uh, let's go to the bucket. We have four. See here. Let's I'm going to open this image. We can access that, right? But I want to give the time limit to this image. Like if someone wants to open, it is only can uh, accessible till that time. Okay, and see here also we are unable to open that because I have opened directly from the bucket, so that's why I have opened with the outside of the bucket, so it is not a publicly accessible. So we can also give a permission like we did previously, like to give make public using ACL. And now I want to give another permission with this. Okay, share with pre-signed URL. Okay, what it means? Like pre-signed URL used to grant access on to an object for a limited time. Like we have seen uh, some of the OTPs expired kind of things. So it is the same way. I have like it's by default selected in a minutes. So I'm gonna select 1 minutes over here and let's create pre-signed and I'm copying this pre-signed URL so we can access. See, and let's wait for a minute. Then after we can see. Okay, like we can access this. We can see this image or not after the minute. See, I'm a refresh. We can see here. We can see this. Now let's see here again. See, it expired. See, it expired. It expired. Did not access after a minute. So this is the things we can also do with the with share with pre-signed URL, right? Now we'll learn something new about like a permission to give a permission of this our bucket, some of the permission. So we cannot able to delete by mistake or something like. See here we have inside permission we have a bucket policy. Okay, I have already written some sample of bucket policy. You can see this. I'm just copying this. You can write by your own by seeing this. Uh, Edit. Okay, now I'm gonna edit here. This I have written, and here what is our bucket name? Let's copy the bucket name. See here is our bucket name. So I'm copy this name and replace here. Replace. I have replaced already, and now delete that symbols first. Now I have given only for index.html and error.html. Okay, and now I'm gonna let's see my bucket policy bucket put delete effect Denny deny principal star. Okay, s3 delete object. Okay, I'm gonna save this policy. Okay, now we can go to the our bucket. Now inside the bucket, now I'm gonna select the index.html and trying to delete it. Oh, if a folder is selected for deletion, all objects in the folder will be deleted, and it is showing like that. Let me delete this by confirm delete. See, fail to delete object. For more information, see the error column in the fail to delete table below. Why? Because we have give a policy that cannot delete. Okay, cannot delete. So it is showing this way. Let's check with the. We have given for this two. Okay, right? Let me check with this one. Mm, delete. See, so it deleted successfully. You guys can see. See, like we have four items here. We have uploaded. Only the three is here. One is like deleted. Let's try to delete error.html. If you see error.html, we're gonna delete object. Oh, again, yes. You guys can see, like we cannot delete this too because we have given inside the bug policy that no can we cannot delete that. Now we are gonna we have like let's think about the real life scenario. We have uploaded some things and we want to change inside this. Like an example, we have already created a index.html page. Now wants to edit that page, right? So let's go and edit the page which we have uploaded before. Oh, I'm gonna open with this notepad, and we have a kind of these things: AWS Cloud Test, AWS Learning, and this many things. Okay, I'm gonna remove this and give. Let's check like how it looks like. So I have removed this, and you can see that my LinkedIn page, and now I'm gonna change this. Hello world. This page is created by for AWS practice project, AWS learning with, and write your own name here. Paste for S3 bucket versioning. Okay, let's now I'm gonna save this and close this one. Now let's let's upload the another like the same index page again because we have changed that. Okay, add file, and now I'm gonna upload it this again. We have made a change, so let's see the change. Upload, upload status. Okay, yeah, let me refresh this. See the time, it is showing the recent time, right? See the time, recent time, it is showing recent time, right? And where is like our like previous index page that we have created before? So we can see from here, so versions button, we can just select, so we can see the versions. See, when we have uploaded that time the first version, this is the second version. Okay, so it is showing like the L symbol over here. We hold already deleted this one, so that's right. And let's let's see this one. Let's access, give an access, make public accessible. Okay, and now gonna be which one we have given that. Okay, let's see, we can access this one. See, no, because we yes, we wants to give we have given access to the different like previous index page. So let's give and ACL, make public ACL. Now yeah, it's up and ready. Let's see how it looks like, because previously we saw the same URL we are not able to access. Now we can see here. Oh, it's working. It's working here. It's working here. Okay, it's we have changed the AWS learning with a basic, and this for this test, and we see here AWS cloud test for S3 bucket versioning. See, we can see here the tag. Even though we does this, we can see that file, see the website. But this way we can do versioning of bucket and give access. We can host a static website, like we have done that. And also we have also done the bucket policy, set the bucket policy so we can not accidentally delete our bucket contents.